In this video, I'll be helping you with the ALEKS problem type called simplifying the square root of a whole number less than 100. In this example, we're asked to simplify the square root of 48. And the way that we simplify square roots is by using perfect squares, which means we would need to know many of the basic perfect squares. So 2 squared is 4. 4 is a perfect squared. 3 squared is 9. 9's a perfect square. Continuing, 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. I'll write out a few more here, and we could continue, but to simplify a square root, like here where we're trying to simplify the square root of 48, I would want to rewrite the 48 as a product of perfect squares. And I would like to take out the biggest perfect square possible. Looking at these numbers on the right-hand side, our perfect squares, I can see that 16 is a perfect square. And 48 can be rewritten as 16 times 3. So notice in the left-hand side and the right-hand side here, we haven't changed anything. We've just rewritten 48 as 16 times 3. And we chose 16 because it's a perfect square, and that means we can take the square root of 16. The square root of 16 is 4, and we would be left inside the radical with just the 3. So our process here was to rewrite what was underneath the radical as a product with a perfect square. Here's 16. Take the 16 out. Since it's a perfect square, it comes out of the square root as 4. Square root of 16 is 4. And from here, we have simplified as much as possible.